Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about moving average. What is moving average and how it will work, and what are the types of moving average we are used to analyze in the chart. Okay, intraday maybe you are trading, not a issue, or you are to trading swing trading. Otherwise, you want to put any stocks on hold, you can use the moving average. Based on moving average, you can choose a stock. Also you can judge by the entry levels and exit levels also. Okay, let's begin our video. Moving average means you just log in into your demat account first, and for example which company stocks you want to select, and which company stocks want to when to take entry, and what is the moving average price you want to discuss. Okay, for example I have opened bank nifty chart. Okay, here we want to apply the moving average indicator. How to apply that? Here click on the indicators. In the search bar you want to type moving average, moving moving average. See, this is the moving average, first one, and click. See here, we have found out a moving average indicator here. Okay, and click on the indicator again, click on search bar here, and again click on moving average. I will tell you why I am going to add again and again. For moving average I have put here on the chart. See, this is the four moving averages. Okay, here we can find 9 days moving average, 9 days, 9 days, 9 days, but we want to change this to the 21 days moving average. First one, 9 days as it is, we want to let it be there. Okay, and second one we want to change 21 days. Okay, 21 days price moving average, and style here you want to select any color. Okay, this moving average, first one moving average line and second one moving average line is same color, but because I am changing black color. Okay, see, first one blue color is 9 days moving price average. Okay, and second one is 21 days price moving average. Average, how the price is moving average it was showing. And third one also you want to change into color, we want to change first. Okay, inputs here you want to delete 9 and you want to enter 50 days moving average. And fourth one we want to change same as it is, like 200 days. And color we want to change here green. And okay. Okay, this is how moving average price lines are looks. Okay, why I will tell you how these four moving averages lines I have applied here. See, when moving average means, what is the moving average? First we want to discuss. Moving average is, wait a minute. For example, price is 100 rupees price. Okay, 100 rupees price is current market running, and at the market high 100 and low is 50 rupees. For example, see, this is the swing low to swing high. High means market as high points 100 and low points 50, and the middle price is the average price. What is the average price then? 75 is the average price. This type of average price will shows according to this indicators line. Okay, for example, swing high from low, what is the low today? 50 is the low today. And what is the high today? 100 is the high today. And what is the average price then? 75 is the average price. That is what moving average will show. These indicators will show the average price of the market. That's why we use the moving averages. And we can't able to calculate daily for the what is the average price, what is the average price daily. That's why we are using these indicators to calculate the price averages. Okay, almost all traders will use 21 days moving average and 6 days moving average. 6 days because of bank nifty as working days as 5 days, we will use 5 to 6 days of moving averages. Okay, I will apply again and show you how to take entry, and how this moving average will indicates the price action. See, as it is, when we click on the moving average, it will show up the 19 days, 9 days moving average. But actually we want to modify that as 20. Let it be one moving average on the 9 days and another moving average on the 21 days, and we want to change the color because we don't want to be get confused. I'm going to change the color. See, 9 days moving average, once line has crossed the trend, the price will falling signal will be, it was showing. Once, see, these two lines are added here. Okay, sync here. Okay, came near one 9 days moving average and 21 days moving average, then it is, and candles are creating upon those two moving average price lines above. Then means, that means we are these two lines average price also, price has creating the candle, means that is the sure truly uptrend moment. Then it will use to take the call option from here, from the, from, see, I will tell you from where. This is the entry level. This is our entry level because these two lines, see, this is moving average, 21 days moving average and 9 days moving average has met here, sync here. So this, and once the moving or both moving averages lines are met together, then price, if price will create above from this moving average line, then it is a confirmation of a uptrend. When these two lines has meet together and price candles are coming down, means that is a downtrend signal. Okay, we can you understand what I am telling? And next thing, when, and one more thing where we use mostly moving averages means, I'm going to apply again. See, for example, here we have, for example, 21 days moving average is our red line, red color line. Okay, once we take sell entry put option in bank nifty, we will take entry from here 36,000, sorry, 39,600, 619 from, this is our sell entry level. Okay, this is our sell entry level. Once this price has fallen, started creating red candles from below from the moving 21 days moving average, we will take the sell entry. Okay, but once we take sell entry, what is the stop loss? The stop loss, we want to put the 9 days moving average because 9 days moving average is above the 21 days moving average. This is our, see, this candle wick above, we want to put stop loss. No, because of moving average above, we want to put stop loss here at exactly 36,000, 39,948. It was showing exactly 39,950. We want to put stop loss, and target is our, see, 37,000 nearby. I will tell you how to short position. Go to short position. See, this is, once moving average has break the candle, what is it? This is our stop loss. Red color zone is our stop loss, and this is our, wait, this is our target, first target I am telling. See, without putting the below of above the this candle, we want to use this moving average price, because if moving average price above also stop loss, it means the trend will be going to change. Okay, that is what I am going to change. I am going to tell the, if you want to put any stop loss, means even the stop loss doesn't want to hit. If stop loss will hit, your money will be lose. That's why I am telling below or above of the, for example, if you are taking short position, see, this is the upper moving average line, so you want to put stop loss here and short from here. I will tell you, I will show you. Stop loss here and sell entry from here, because 9 days moving average price is our stop loss, and 21 days moving average red line, this is our short position. Okay, this is from here market has been fallen. We can use the any 50 days moving average line, and doing 200 days moving average price lines also you can use. This is how we can use moving averages. If you want to see, once candle has closed here, for example, see, this is the, wait a minute, I will tell you, we know how the price has moving from here. For example, normal moving averages, we can find out the present how the price is moving, but what is the future moving average price, how to see that, I will tell you how to see the future moving average also. I have to change the setting here, and again, see, once candle has closed here exactly and moving average has been end here itself, but we want to see what is the above in the future moving average price. So what we want to do is go to the settings, moving average settings here, and here go to the inputs, and we can set offset option is there. Now you want to click here, same 21 days moving offset, click on OK. See, this is 21 days moving average price. It was showing that we, for next coming 21 days price can move by this average price. Okay, and for example, you want to see the 9 days moving average offset, means in future, means you want to click here offset and click on 9 again, and it was showing 9 days, by upcoming 9 days how price can be movable chances, it will be shown here. Okay, in we can predict the future moving average price also. Okay, that's it friends, today's video. I will show you how to draw the moving averages, and how different type of moving average, like 9 days moving average, 21 days moving average, 200 days moving average, and 50 days moving averages type, and when to take entry when candles has creating above to the moving averages, and when to exit, and below to the moving averages line, and how, where to put stop loss above to the, for example, see, you have short position put option take from here red candle, and what is our stop loss here, the 9 days blue color above whatever the moving average line is there, that is our stop loss. Okay, and what are one next thing what I have told, and future how the price can move average, we can predict by this indicator offset moving average also I have to discuss today. That's it friends. This is how we want to change our moving averages 9 days, 21 days, like that, and we can learn like how to change color and how to predict moving average. That's it friends. I think it's this video will hope useful for you. If you like means just subscribe, otherwise you just like. Thank you.